Hello! Today we are going to be talking about how to download Canvas onto your mobile phone. Also, we are going to be talking about how to navigate the mobile Canvas app. And lastly, we're going to be talking about how to submit assignments through the mobile app in Canvas. The mobile app of Canvas is really helpful for me because it is so much easier to submit assignments, especially for classes like math, in which oftentimes you have to submit photos of assignments. So in order to get started with downloading Canvas, you're going to click on the magnifying glass in the very bottom corner of the screen that says Search. Then you're going to type in to the search box Canvas Student. Or actually, just Canvas will work just fine. And it's important to acknowledge that I am recording this on an iPhone, and so therefore this is what the UI would look like for the iPhone App Store. But if you're on an Android or a Samsung or another phone, it's going to be different. I'm sorry that I don't have an Android phone to record off of, so I can't show you that perspective. But if you can figure out how to download the app, the rest of this video will still be helpful because the Canvas app is the same across devices. So again, type in Canvas to the search box and click on the top result. You will see an ad at the top, so just go ahead and scroll past that until you see Canvas Student. Now, for you, you're going to see the word Get. For me, I just see that cloud icon because I've already downloaded the Canvas app. But for you, you're going to click on where it says Get, and then you're going to follow all of the instructions that the App Store gives you. It is a free app, so everyone should be able to download it regardless of financial situation. So take a moment, no matter what device you're on, to figure out how to download the Canvas app onto your device. And then we'll get back to you in a second to discuss how to work the Canvas app specifically. So I'm going to go ahead and download it on my own end. And take a moment to pause the video to make sure you've downloaded the app correctly. And then join back in once you've done so. Great, so I am now in the Canvas app, and this is what the page is going to look like. The first step is to click on that blue button that says Find My School. So go ahead and click on that, and once you do, you're going to type in Sequoia, because that's the name of our school. But instead of seeing Sequoia, you're going to see two options, and you want to click on Sequoia Union High School District. And at the top, you should see that familiar link, sequoia.instructure.com. You're going to want to type in your 6-digit student ID as well as your password. Once you've done all that, go ahead and hit the green button that says Login. Congratulations, you are now in the Canvas app. So there are a couple things that we are going to go over in order. So right now you see that the dashboard is in card view. There is no easily accessible list view in my knowledge on the mobile app. However, a close approximation of list view is if you go down to the bottom of your screen and you click on where it says To Do. You will see here it's kind of a list of your upcoming assignments, similar to the one that you can find on list view on your desktop. So again, let's go back to the dashboard. This is card view. You can see all of your different classes. To easily view your grades on the Canvas dashboard, click on the little lines at the top of your screen and toggle the switch next to Show Grades. You should see your grades pop up. Now, I'm not going to show my grades too much, but that's the idea. They should pop up now. And so again, you access that by clicking those three little lines in the top left corner of your screen. Let's go into an individual class and explore the different functionalities. It is a pretty similar setup to the desktop version, just on a smaller screen. So let's use English again as an example. So I click on the card, and all of a sudden I am found here. All those different tabs are just the different laid out tabs that are on your Canvas homepage when you click on that class. Announcements, assignments, grades, they're all the same. And so it's all here. So right now what we're going to talk about is how to submit a text entry box assignment. So let's go ahead and click on one. So I'm going to use this one as an example. So to submit the assignment, you're going to hit that green box at the bottom of the page that says Submit Assignment. Once you are in here, you're going to see this text box, and it says Enter Submission. So once you're in it, you're going to type in whatever text entry you might want to submit. Now, oftentimes you might be copying and pasting information from Google Docs into here, and sometimes it might actually be more helpful to do this part on the computer. So to do it on the computer, you do the exact same system because the computer layout is pretty much the exact same one as the phone layout. However, the phone is a lot easier for photo submissions than your computer might be. And so to do text entry, you do the same exact process. You click on the assignment, you click Submit Assignment, and then once you get into the assignment, you just click on Submit Text Entry Box, and then you'll have a lot more options such as bold, underline, inserting photos. You have them here, but it's a lot easier on your computer. However, it is helpful to know that you can do all of this off of your phone. So even if you want to not use your Chromebook too often, maybe you still don't understand it, your phone can still be a very valuable resource for you with using Canvas. So now we're going to go into what it looks like to submit a photo. You're often going to do this for your math classes. So let's go into it. So here it is. You are going to click on Assignments in a second, and that will take you to how to submit an assignment. So you're often going to be submitting assignments via photo when you are in a math class or maybe a science class. Oftentimes when your homework have actual answers. So let's just click on an assignment here. And then it's the same process of you just clicking the green button at the bottom of your page, except for you it'll say Submit Assignment instead of Resubmit Assignment because I've already submitted this assignment. Once you click on that box, you will get these options. Now, if you click on Library, what that does is it pulls up your camera roll of your phone, and you can choose photos from there. Files, I don't really use very often. But the one that I do use the most is the camera. So a lot of teachers have different specifications for how they want you to take photos of your homework to submit. My teacher is okay with just a photo like this. You have to make sure that it's good quality so that they can read it. On your phone screen or however you're viewing this video, it might be hard to see. But in the submission, it was big enough to be read. It's important to take the time to make sure that everyone who is reading or viewing your homework can read what you've written in your submission. If they can't read what you submitted, you might as well not have submitted anything. So now that you've done that, what you're going to do next is click on Use Photo. But before doing that, it is important to acknowledge that some math teachers might want you to submit your math homework or any other homework in a different way than the one that I am showing in this video. Some of them will use scanning apps, and the amount of scanning apps that are out there are large and wide. As a result, I can't specifically give you guidance on each individual scanning app. However, if there is a particular scanning app that you cannot just figure out, you can write down in the comment section below what that scanning app is, and I will do my best to make a video explaining how to use it. If there are enough people who are in need of a video like this, I will definitely do that. Now that you've taken the photo of your homework and hit Use Photo, you will see an image up near the top. Next, you will click the Submit button in the top right corner, and hopefully you will see Submission went through or Assignment submitted or something else like that. It's not working for me because I've already submitted this assignment and so it is closed. So that is why it says Submission failed. But hopefully for you, it will say something like Submission completed. In this video, you have learned about all the different ways that you can customize Canvas on your mobile phone. The Canvas mobile app is a really helpful tool, not only for viewing your grades on the go, but being able to easily submit photo submissions for your homework. Additionally, there's text entry box, which is very helpful on both your phone and your computer. Now, I can never cover in one video all of the countless amounts of ways that your teachers will require you to submit assignments. Some assignments call for very different submission methods. If you have a specific question on an assignment, you can always leave it in the comment section below and I will do my best to answer it. However, you can always feel free to just ask your teacher for more guidance. If they're not giving you sufficient guidance, again, that comment section is open and I will do my best to help you out. With that being said, this video has been on navigating the Canvas mobile app and on figuring out how to submit assignments through the Canvas app. Thank you, and until the next one, bye-bye.